Suzuki Leeds is proud to present for sale this beautiful one owner Suzuki Vitara S automatic. Let me walk you around the vehicle. Hope you enjoy the video. 2016 on a 16. This vehicle, it is in absolute pristine, brilliant condition. The vehicle has front sensors, a really smart front grille, black alloy wheels to match the body and also to give it a smart finish. Also some contrast, we've got silver roof bars, silver door mirrors, just to give it a really nice sort of break, and also a good contrast with the black tinted windows. Again, as mentioned, the vehicle's in excellent condition. All the alloys are unmarked, unscuffed. Going into the rear of the vehicle, we've got a spoiler. Again, just to give it a funky look. Keyless entry, easy to use. Just to show you inside the boot. Now this boot has a boot capacity of 370 litres, plenty of space for your suitcases, shopping and all your daily essentials. We also have on this vehicle reverse camera for convenience and also parking, reverse sensors alongside. As mentioned before, this vehicle has a full service history. This vehicle's only covered 12,000, just above 12,000 miles, so nice and low. Now going into the inside of the vehicle is unmarked, untouched, excellent condition. We've got half leather, red stitching, suede seats in the centre. Now the excellent part of the vehicle, we've got a intelligent all-wheel drive system, very easy to use. Just to show you in the center the controls, we've got a snow option for extra grip, an automatic option so it works its own mind, and we also have a lock option so you can lock the four-wheel drive in. Full automatic gearbox. Into the center of the vehicle on the steering wheel, we've got integrated volume controls, a modes button which gives you the option to change from stations to stations. Onto the right side of the vehicle, we've got cruise control, adaptive cruise control, which I'll go through with yourself very shortly. Front and rear electric windows, electric folding door mirrors. For the infotainment, we've got satellite navigation for ease of destination, to get to your destination on time. We've also got DAB digital radio for a clear long range signal, AM FM smartphone, Apple smartphone and Android smartphone to mirror image the screen of your mobile phone onto the screen of the vehicle. This vehicle also has keyless start, keyless entry, easy to use, push button. The adaptive cruise control is not only an excellent feature, keeps you within the speed limit, avoiding the average speed cameras, good for motorways and also for collisions as well. This vehicle has a program to help you in case for an emergency. It will automatically apply its brakes for you as well. Prior to leaving, this vehicle will leave with a full service, full MOT. This vehicle definitely is one which needs to be viewed, test driven. If you have any questions, any queries, please feel free to give us a call or pop in. We look forward to hearing and seeing you soon. Thank you.